Guys, welcome back to BioBuddy, and in this video we'll be moving forward with the chapter Reproduction. Right, this is part 2 of the chapter Reproduction, and in this video we'll be talking about the types of reproduction. Right, I hope you can see it clearly. Now, in the previous video, if you haven't seen the previous video, the first part of the reproduction chapter, please go and watch it, because in this video we'll be basically moving on with the reproduction topic. We will not be moving, we will not be stuck up on the definition, what is the meaning, why is it important. All these things we have already done in the first video, so that is why I'm referring you the first video. You can watch that first, and then you can come back to this one, right? So in this video we'll be moving forward with the types. So the first type that I'm talking about is asexual reproduction. Right. Second one is the sexual reproduction, and third one is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Right? So now in this video we'll be talking about these three types of reproduction, right? The asexual reproduction, the sexual reproduction, and the vegetative propagation. Right? So what happens now in asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction first involves only one parent. Only a single parent is involved in case of asexual reproduction, right? Second will be no gametes are formed. Now what are gametes? Gametes are basically the special reproductive cells, or you can say the special cells which help in the process of reproduction. So in this asexual reproduction, only a single parent is involved, and only when no gametes are formed. No gamete formation takes place here, right? Second is, in asexual reproduction, mitosis takes place. Mitosis takes place in case of asexual reproduction, right? Then after this point, another point of mitosis, that in this case what happens, it is also called as the somatic reproduction, or you can say that there is no variation. There is absolutely no variation in case of asexual reproduction, right? No variation, that means all the individuals which are born, they are very similar to their parent, right? They are exact copies. You can say they are carbon copies of their parents. Right, so this is happening in case of asexual reproduction. No variation is taking place, mitosis takes place, no gametes are formed, and only a single parent is formed. Right, so asexual reproduction is also of variety of types. Right, it can be budding, it can be sporulation, fragmentation, regeneration, right, binary fission, multiple fission. All these are coming in the category of asexual reproduction. Right, so we will study them in detail, but right now we will just talk about what is the difference between both of them. Right, now if I talk about sexual reproduction, what happens in this? Two parents are involved. Right, two parents are involved, right? One mother and one father. Second, gametes are formed, or you can say special reproductive cells are formed. Right, in this variation arises. There is variation arises. Right, that means in this, in sexual reproduction, they are not the exact copies. Right, there is some kind of a difference between the parent as well as the child. Right, so these are certain basic definitions, and in this mitosis is taking place. Here what will take place? Meiosis. Meiosis will take place, due to which the variation will arise. So these are the two types. Last one is the vegetative propagation. Now what is the meaning of vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation means when a plant, or you can say a new plant, I will add it here, a new plant is formed by the previous, or you can say any part of the plant, by any part of the plant, right? जब भी कोई न्यू प्लांट फॉर्म होता है फ्रॉम द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट, राइट, दैट मीन्स इट कैन बी ईदर बी रूट, इट कैन बी शूट, इट कैन बी लीफ, उनसे अगर एक न्यू प्लांट फॉर्म होता है तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन, right? So these are the various types of reproduction processes, right? And in this we have also explained the differences between each one of them, that how is like the asexual and the sexual difference from one another. They're different in which two parents are involved, in which one parent is involved, gametes are formed, no gametes are formed, variation arises, no variation arises, meiosis takes place, and here mitosis is taking place. And then comes vegetative propagation. Obviously a new type of a plant or a new plant is formed from the previous parts of the plant, like you can say from the root, shoot, from the stem, from the leaf, all these plants, they can be formed again. So that is known as the vegetative propagation. Now vegetative propagation also happens through root, stems, leaf. That also we will study in the next videos in detail, when we will be studying about the asexual reproduction in detail, right? That what are the different types. I have already told you the names, so those names will now be explained one by one, that what is happening in asexual reproduction, and then what will happen in sexual reproduction in case of plants, in case of animals, what is the vegetative propagation, and what are the various types. So we will be studying this in detail in the coming video, so stay tuned guys, and let's not forget to like, share and subscribe, right? So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll catch up in the next video.